you, everyone. Thank you for being here. I'm truly excited to be here in Embedded Vision Summit after 2 years, seeing people in person and running into old colleagues in such summits. And it's very exciting, learning about new applications, new technologies. It's awesome. My name is Armita, Abadian, Technical Marketing for Imaging Products at STMicroelectronics. Before diving into my talk, let's see, I use this. A brief introduction as who we are at ST Imaging, STMicroelectronics. STMicroelectronics, as most of you know, is a French-Italian semiconductor company, manufacturer of electronics, headquartered in Geneva, Switzerland. At ST Imaging, we are having products homegrown, meaning that we do product research, development, design, manufacturing to some extent, all in Europe. We have some back-end test and warehouses in Asia, but most of the work is being done in Europe. We are vertically integrated, meaning that we have a full control over the process of our product lifecycle, and we are in full control of quality, technology, and cost of our products. With our innovative sensor technologies and advanced manufacturing, we are having this position to offer unique products and services. Our products including direct time-of-flight sensors, indirect time-of-flight sensors, global shutter imagers, ambient light sensors, and also custom optical sensors through our foundry services. Our focus applications is not only personal electronics, cell phone market, but also we are very active in AR, VR, automotive, and we have a good problem of having a large demand from other emerging applications and market like industrial, so smart farming, wearables, robotics, you name it. So ST has been not new in this space. They've been shipping 1.5 billion time-of-flight sensors over the past years. You can imagine how active we are in this space.